Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope all are doing great. So today we are going to discuss a topic called color tabs in Visual Studio. So how we get some color tabs in a Visual Studio. Okay. So obviously whenever you are creating a table, form, reports, menu item, the same tab colors will be there, right? So in order to avoid that, like if you feel like you have to get some different view or different colors, I'm just speaking about, so that it can be done. Okay, it can be done very easily. So what we have to do first means you have to open your Visual Studio. So as we have already opened it, right? So what we have to do, the next step is we have to go to tools. So there is a tools menu, right? So you have to go to the tools. So click on the tools. You'll be able to find extensions and updates. Okay, you'll be able to find extensions and updates. So what you have to do is you have to click on it. So after clicking on it, you have to switch to the online. So we have already have a installed here, right? It is in the left pane. So you are able to see it's a installed, but you have to click on online. So after clicking on online, you will be able to see few things. Okay, you will be able to see here few things. What you have to do here is now you have to find and install productivity power tools. Okay, so click on productivity power tools. So see here, so there's a first option, as you are able to see, productivity power tools, right? So here you have to install this. Okay, you have to install this. Just click on it. I have already installed, so that is the reason. See, this you are getting some tick mark here, like this extension is already installed. So I have already installed, so I will not able to get an install button. So if you just click here, you'll be getting an install button like this. For example, I'm selecting this. Okay, so here you can directly download it. Okay, in this way. But here I will not get any option because I have already installed it. Okay, after installing it, what you have to do? Okay, so what we have to do now is just close this now. After this, again navigate to the tools, and you will able to see the last called as options. Okay, able to see the last called options, and let it come. So before this, okay, after installation, you do one thing, that if you are unable to see here the productivity power tools, let me show you where it is. Productivity power tools. So after installation, just come to here, tools, and also what we have done, it is options, right? We have selected a last option, and if you are unable to see productivity power tools here, what you can do is you just close the Visual Studio here, this Visual Studio. Okay, close the Visual Studio here and reopen it again. Okay, reopen it again, so that the changes will be takes place. The changes takes place if you are unable to see this productivity power tool. So that is the reason I'm just telling you. And in this productivity power tools, you have to click on custom document well and just elaborate it. You'll be able to see here, you'll be able to see color coding. Okay, so here you are able to see the color coding. So you can just give according to your however that you like, however that you're able to see your colors and all. Okay, so for project that you are giving this tab color as pink, you can select some other colors as well. Okay, you can just select in this way. And for any project too, you can just give some other things. So if you are if you have some unselected text, if you are selecting some text, this will be this color, the tab color will be this green, that I have changed it right away, right? So in this way that you can give, right? So this is actually, this setup is done under productivity tools custom document well and color coding as I'm showing right now. Okay, in this way that you can change your tab colors. Okay, so this is actually a quick thing that I wanted to show you. You can check the output by creating like one project, and you can create elements so that you can just check the changes whatever that you have done. So like today I'm not going to change, I mean show the changes that you can see directly in your particular Visual Studio after creating few like elements, and you'll able to see the colors. You can just again, if you wanted to change the color, you can just come here in the productivity power tools, custom document well and color coding, and you can change accordingly. Okay, so this is about the color tabs in Visual Studio. I hope like you got my point, and you can also do it from your end. Thank you guys.